number 2. And let's think, actually, let's start with number 1. Number 1 lends itself to the butterfly method a little bit better because it's already in all fraction form. To do the butterfly method of adding or subtracting, it has to be in all fraction form. This one we can get to all fraction form, but we're going to have to do that, multiply the bottom and you add it to the top, right, to turn it into all fraction form, which we can do, and we'll try that out in just a second. With the butterfly method, guys, remember it is called the butterfly method because we're doing a little bit of cross multiplying. I look at the 8 and the 5. Everybody, 8 times 5 is 40. So I write my 40 here. Then I look at this diagonal. I have 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, good. Now this one is what operation, everybody? Subtraction. So between the antennae of the butterfly, we are going to be subtracting to get our new numerator. 42, take away 40 is 2. Now, to get my denominator, this is where I look at the body of the butterfly. Down here, I have 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So I have 48 there, and 48 will be my denominator. Now, who can tell me, is this in simplest form? And if not, how am I going to get it to simplest form? All right, I see we're shaking our head. No, this is not in simplest form. What can I do here, Meredith? Divide. Good. I'm going to take out the GCF, their greatest common factor. If you are having trouble with finding the absolute GCF, just look for a shared factor. And remember what Miss Lehman told you, a time saver is if they're an even number on the top and the bottom, you know you can at least take out a factor of what? 2. So let's do that. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 48 divided by 2 is 24. And 24 is the correct answer for that one. Okay, so there is butterfly method with 2 proper fractions. Butterfly method over here for number 2, the first thing I have to do is turn it into all fraction form. To turn 5 wholes into a fraction, I put a what underneath it? A 1. So I'm going to turn this into 5 over 1. For this one, I'm going to multiply the bottom and add it to the top and put that as my new numerator. I'll keep my denominator the same. My denominator is 5. What will this be? Okay, multiply the bottom. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Excellent. Give yourself a chance ticket, and I have 14. I'm going to be subtracting here. Okay, let's take a look here. Everybody, 1 times 14 is 14. 5 times 5 is 25. Let's go ahead and do the body of the butterfly down here. 1 times 5 is? Good. Okay, who can tell me, where am I going to see the numerator of my answer? What will be the numerator of my answer? Avery.
The numerator will be
I'm going to look at these antennae of my butterfly and think about that operation.
Oh, yeah. You subtract both of them?
Yeah, good. So I have 25. I take away 11. Excuse me, I just said it. I take away 14. What will I have as my new numerator? 11. My brain was working faster than my mouth. Now, I have my denominator right here. What will my denominator be? 5. Okay, 11 fifths is an improper fraction, so I can do a little bit of division to find out what it is as a mixed number. Listening. How many times will 5 go into 11? Twice. That's my whole number. What's the remainder? 1. And my denominator stays the same. So there's number 2 with the butterfly method. Okay? All right.